wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best golf chippers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you just want to try one of these out and aren't sure if you're going to stick with using a dedicated club for chipping, the affordable JP Lann Golf makes a good choice, since it requires only a very minimal investment. It's available in a one-way or two-way model. It offers just the right amount of weight and should help save you some strokes. However, some find the loft too high. At number 9, this Acer XK gives you the high rise of an 8-iron, yet handles with the ease and precision of a putter. If you hope to clear an obstacle and potentially sink your shot in one swing, you would be wise to make the attempt with this club in your hands. It comes with an Apollo steel shaft and glides across the rough well, but this one doesn't conform to PGA rules. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Intech Easy Roll is weighted in the back to provide a solid hit upon impact. Its alignment line is a deep groove, so you don't ever have to worry about paint chipping off and it becoming invisible. There's no reason you wouldn't be able to use this one for years to come. It's equipped with a gooseneck hosel and provides balls with a nice loft. However, there is a bit of a learning curve. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for golf chippers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Extreme 5 sports a crosshairs target on its face and a broad crystal clear stripe on its back, both of which work together to show you exactly where to hit that ball. It's available in 3 different shaft lengths to suit any height. It features an offset hosel to minimize shanking and make shots easy, but it's available only in a right-handed model. Moving up our list to number 6. The Pinemeadow Golf XL EGI should help you instantly improve your short game, especially if you suffer from the yips when the pressure starts to mount. It's very easy to hit as you play it just like a putter, which makes it great for those new to these clubs. It boasts a beautiful gunmetal finish, a comfortable cushioned grip, and a thick alignment line. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Paragon Sports has a clear satin finish over its exterior, which helps to prevent corrosion, scratches, and other damage. The head features a prominent red stripe that helps you plan out and align your shots, hopefully getting you closer to the pin. It's made with 17-4 stainless steel with a 37-degree loft on the face. This one's best for shots under 30 feet. At number 4, the Wilson Men's Harmonized has a unique vertical seam grip and a shaft that's slightly larger in diameter than you would encounter on most clubs. Those factors combine to create a tool that maximizes your ability to control shorter chip shots. It helps keep the ball's arc low and comes with 4 alignment lines. However, the club face is on the smaller side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Ray Cook M1 looks nice and plays even better. It features a durable stainless steel head that offers a high level of consistency, so once you learn how to use it well, your shots should go right where you want them to every time. It's ideal for short bump and runs and provides minimal twisting on impact. It comes with a head cover. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for golf chippers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Intech Approach 2-Way can be used by both right and left-handed golfers. That ambidextrous ability makes it a good club for an instructor to keep on hand, or for inclusion in a set of rental clubs at a public course or at a resort. It comes in at a budget-friendly price and provides about the same loft as a 7-iron. It plays just like a wedge. And taking the top spot on our list, the Ray Cook Extreme Aim has a high-visibility yellow patch bisected with a broad black line that indicates the ideal path your swing and ball will follow. It also features a broad face that creates a forgiving sweet spot in case the swing is less than perfect. This one's suitable for men and women, with deep grooves for spin control. It delivers a nice, consistent hit. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for golf chippers, or simply click beneath this video.